You've received your intracellular NAD test from Jinfiniti Precision Medicine. It arrived in the mail. Now what do? Very simple. You open the box and right away you're going to see some instructions front and center. I'm going to show you what's in the box. So there are little alcohol swabs and a little gauze pad, a little gauze sponge. You have lancets and what we call buffer liquid. You'll know what that means when you read the instructions on how to do the blood spots, but these are your lancets to do the little finger prick. That's the buffer liquid. Very important. You've gone on the website and you've registered an account, but one thing that might have confused you when it said, it said to activate your account. Well, here, it's very simple. Activating your account just means you copy this number that's on this card right into your little portal. What's cool about this is when you open this up, it also is where your blood spots go. And they're little circles and you fill them, and the instruction booklet, because you don't want to just take my word for it, you've got these great instructions, full color. This shows you exactly what that blood spot should look like when you're done. And this will also recap everything that I told you, and it explains that buffer liquid process, which is not a big deal. So you've got the instructions. Now, you've drawn your blood, you've done your little finger prick. This is ready to go. You've filled out the card, and you get this cool little envelope that you open. This goes in there. There's a return envelope in here. This goes in the return envelope. You put it in the mail and voila, you've taken your first step towards personalized, precision, extended health span.